Carnival Celebration, cabin number 14235. This is your entrance doorway here. Yes, we have clothes and stuff on the floor, but you know, we're just packing up to go home, so we now get all the dirty clothes organized. This is the thing they put on our bed for the last day. Balcony room. Nice mirror over your vanity or whatever you want to call this. Your cooler that turns into a, or I don't know if it's a cooler, but it's like a little footrest that turns into a tray table. All these cabins have mini fridges, $4 bottles of water. On your TVs, you can watch cameras all around the deck. Right now we have the Lido deck, but you can watch cameras on the outside of the ship. Here's the balcony. The only problem, this is the junior balcony. So this is the smallest space between the bed to get to the balcony. It's about 30 square feet smaller than all the other rooms. And there's only 3 of these on deck 14. We didn't know we had this when we booked it, but it's just a little bit smaller, but we can make do. Turn the knob. There you're outside. There's your chair, table, chair. And it's dark out as you can see. Yep. You can see down at the very front of the ship. There it is, all the way to the deck. Very nice features of this room. On both sides of the bed, you have your reading light, which is very, very bright. And underneath that, each one has a USB cable and a little table. This is set up for a king, but they can switch it around, and then that table would just go in the middle between the two. And then up there is light switches. So when you lay down in bed, you can just flip the switches. There's all your lights out. Turn one on above the bed. The switch you didn't see controls those. Oh, and on the Carnival Celebration, if you're looking, if you're bringing like a little dock or something, this is how many plugs are in the room as well. So there's a lot of plugs, a lot of USB ports. I mean, if you count those two over there, there's a lot of places to plug things in at. All right, as we head from the main living course into the bathroom here, a couple hooks on there to hang your towels on. Your toilet. Sink, kind of small. Hello. Couple shelves, a mirror, and then this is your shower. She just got out of it, so there's your shower. I'm not gonna lie, it is a little tight, a little small, but it does the job. And you have to have your key card in to control or to have the lights on, because after you pull it out about 30 seconds, the lights will shut off. But we learned you can just stick a business card in there and it'll work. And then you can hit this for air, but then that light will shut off in about 2 minutes. I'm not sure how that works or anything, but